Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to deactivate or delete your Nextdoor account. First of all, log into your Nextdoor account and then click on your name at the top right and then click Settings icon. After that, scroll down to the bottom and click Deactivate your account link. Select the reason for deactivating your account. Finally hit Deactivate button. If you want to delete your Nextdoor account permanently, then click on your name at the top right side, then click on Help icon. In the search bar, type in Delete Account and then hit Enter. Click on the very first result. Scroll down and then click on the Delete Account link. Here you have to enter your registered email address, your name and then your address. Finally add the message specifying that you want your account to be deleted. Finally hit Submit button. Now the final thing that you have to do is open the email from Nextdoor and reply to their email with the phrase they have mentioned in the email. This is a compulsory verification step. After that, your Nextdoor account will deleted permanently within few days. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.